beautiful green area where you can have fun, relax with your family. A lot of Nigerians and Nigerians living in the diaspora are investing in the real estate market in Lagos, Nigeria. There's an increase in demand for property and for the island lovers who are looking for good returns on investment. Ikoyi, VI and Lekki Phase 1 are always top choice, with Lekki 1 being the most affordable of the three. However, as this place fills up, another hot choice within a few kilometers from Lekki Phase 1 is Ikate Lekki Phase 2. This place is developed and home to one of the top estates in Lagos, Nigeria. If you haven't seen my video on Nikon Town to have an idea of what this place looks like, please check it out. It's going to be linked in the description. There's so many top spots, worship centers and malls in this environment. With that being said, let's check out this 2-bedroom, beautifully built apartment. This building is well raised, significantly higher than the road level, which is very good for properties on the island as it helps with proper drainage. It also has a very good slope to it. The distance from Freedom Way Lekki Phase 1 to this place is about 2.5 kilometers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. If you're here for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Today I'm showing you a beautifully built 2-bedroom apartment in the heart of Ikate Lekki Phase 2. So if this is what you like to see, sit relax and enjoy this video. And please do me a favor, watch it to the end and don't forget to plug in. Let's go. The stairs has 2 parts that leads up with nice designs on it and on the wall. There are spotlights under the steps to illuminate this place. The steps are not high, they are very comfortable to climb. Please note they are still adding finishing touches to the house. You have 2 apartments on each floor. It's a spacious living room. Please excuse the lighting, the lights are not on. I needed to bring you this opportunity fast so you don't miss out. I am showing you this living room from different angles. This is the balcony from the living room and the view that you get. Let's go around. This is one of the rooms. It has a rectangular shape to it. It's also a decent size. The bathroom, shower, a wardrobe with a full-sized mirror so you can appreciate how amazing you look from top to bottom. Your personal balcony. This is the view we get from here. You can see the exit gate. The visitors' toilet. This is the kitchen. Burner, extractor. It has a decent size. The cabinets are reflective. The POP is nicely done. Let's see the view. The balcony. That's the balcony from the other room we just left. They have water treatment set up already with tanks. This is an exit from the kitchen. Please stay tuned. I have another 2-bedroom open kitchen style to show you. The pool, the parking space, and something else in the compound that I think you should note. This is the second room in the house. It's in suite.
This house is in a safe and secure neighborhood.
2-bedroom, beautifully built apartment in the heart of Ikate.
It's a serviced apartment selling for 60 million naira, and the title is Governor's Consent.
Please hurry up, reach out to me. The number is on your screen and plug in.
This could be your house, your perfect investment, your short-let apartment, and your vacation home. Think about it, but don't delay. It's fast selling out.
Don't you just love this black, white, and warm tone combination? Please let me know in the comment section. Ample space to park. It's a serviced apartment and it's beautiful.
More space. You would understand the dynamics of it when you see the exit gate on the other side of the building.
Beautiful green area where you can have fun, relax with your family, and swim. Look at the pool. They maximize their space to add more value to this property. If you keep getting value from my channel, please hit that like icon. It does a lot of good for me. And don't forget to click that red subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, so that you keep seeing beautiful contents from me. Also, touch that notification bell and change it from personalized to all, so that you don't miss when I upload lovely contents. This is the exit gate, and the back exits from your kitchen would bring you here. Let's quickly look at the open kitchen 2-bedroom apartment. Please stay with me, this won't take time at all. They're still working on this apartment, and this place has already been paid for. The ground floor for this open kitchen isn't available. It's just to show you what the second apartment looks like. This door leads to the back. Bedroom and its ensuite. This is the view from this end. The POP design looks nice. The visitor's restroom. The second room. A closer look at the kitchen. The wall is nicely textured here and transitions into the kitchen. Quickly reach out to me if you're ready to get your beautifully built 2-bedroom apartment in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. The number is right here on your screen, and just to let you know that this property is fast selling out, so don't delay. Transformer is being installed just for this place. Look at that right there.
Ready clients can reach out to me to help secure your desired property here in Lagos, Nigeria. You can check out some locations on my channel, or you let me know what you're looking at and we can work together to get you what you want. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Bye and see you in my next one. Click here to watch the next video.